The new labor codes aren't just another policy update. They represent one of the most significant labor reforms in India's history, bringing together 29 central labor laws into 4 comprehensive codes, set to reshape the future of work. But beyond the headlines, the prime question remains:
what does that really mean? And most importantly, what it really means for you?
The answer depends on who you are. If you're an employer, the labor codes are about preparing your business for a modern compliance framework. If you're an employee, they're about understanding how future workplace policies could evolve. Either way, these reforms deserve your attention.
Let's start with the employers.
Every organization today manages multiple statutory obligations: wages, social security, registers, returns, working hours, contract labor, and more. This new compliance framework seeks to bring these scattered regulations under 4 simplified codes. While the objective is simplification, implementation will require organizations to revisit existing HR policies, payroll structures, compliance processes, and documentation. The businesses that prepare early will be better positioned to adapt when the codes are fully notified and implemented.
Now let's look from the employee's side.
The employer's perspective is only one side of the story. The real impact of any labor reform is ultimately reflected in the experiences of the people at work. And naturally, every employee will ask one simple question:
what changes for me?
And the answer isn't limited to just one aspect. The codes may influence wages, social security provisions, employment conditions, PF, ESIC benefits, workplace safety, and other employment-related practices, depending on the applicable provisions and implementation framework. Being aware of these changes helps employees better understand their rights, responsibilities, and workplace expectations.
And this is what every employer has to look into, because it is not only a compliance discussion, but it's a workplace discussion.
The success of any labor reform depends on 2 things: organizations that are prepared and employees who are informed. When both understand the framework, implementation becomes smoother, compliance becomes stronger, and workplaces become more transparent. But where do organizations find that guidance?
By partnering with experts who can help them prepare. Because proactive compliance is always better than reactive correction. And with the right partner, change becomes an opportunity, not a challenge.
At Genius HRTech Limited, that's exactly how we approach statutory compliance. We are already supporting organizations in understanding evolving regulations, strengthening compliance readiness, and navigating change with confidence so they can stay focused on building better workplaces.
Because compliance isn't just about following the law. It's about protecting your people, protecting your business, and preparing for the future.
So, will India's new labor codes affect you? The answer lies not only in the law itself, but in how prepared organizations and employees are to embrace the change together.
Understand the change, prepare for it, and when the time comes, be ready. This is Deep Dive with Genius. Until next time, stay informed and stay prepared.